Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the community choice number 2. So as previous video, the community choice number 1 is Hardpoint or Hardline, I forgot. But today I'm going to show you community choice playlist number 2. Click the feature at the bottom of your screen. This one, community choice playlist 2. Let's see the details. So the community choice playlist 2 is search and rescue. So you have to search the bomb or defuse it. So let's jump to the game. Let's get started. So this is the detail: defend or destroy the objective, and also players can be revived by teammates in this mode. Yeah, welcome to the community choice playlist number 2. As you can see, let's see the maps. There are point A and point B, so you have to defend the point A and the point B to win the match. And also you can revive your teammates here in this mode. So I win the first game. So just try the community choice playlist number 2. It's quite fun. Thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.